Welcome to going down the Amazon rabbit hole walkthrough video. In this video, we're going to show you how to find product ideas directly on Amazon. And Amazon's a great place to find product ideas because we get access to all the data and see if a product is doing well. And also there's so many unique products on Amazon that you wouldn't come across in your day-to-day life. So what we're going to do is go to Amazon.com first, make sure it's a US zip code that we have here. And then we're going to click on the all, and there's the best sellers, new releases, and movers and shakers section. I'm going to click on new releases. Over here, we have a couple other categories that you can choose from, like most wished for and gift ideas. These are all the categories on Amazon over here. And there's subcategories under these categories. So we're going to niche down and let's go with home and kitchen. These are all the best sellers in the home and kitchen category. I'm just going to scroll down, see if anything catches my eye. I mean, this could be interesting, but it is an electronic, so I'm just going to skip over it. I want to niche down even further. Let's go with kitchen and dining. Let's pick another subcategory and let's niche down even further. Let's go with kitchen utensils and gadget. I'm just going to scroll down. This looks interesting to me. Wow, this is a great product. I don't know if you guys have this problem, but I'm always asking Shimin if the dishes in the dishwasher are clean or dirty. So this would definitely solve a problem for me. I'm gonna look deeper into this. It has 119 reviews. I'm gonna go on the X-ray of helium-10 and see how well this product's doing. Wow. Okay, this magnet is doing between $26,000 and $33,000 a month in sales. You can see that all the variations here, they all share the same BSR. So it's not like all the variations are doing these numbers. The total of all these variations is between $26,000 and $33,000. If the BSR was different over here for all these variations, then each of these would be doing this much in revenue. But because they all share the BSR, that's the total of all of them. So this product is doing between $26,000 and $33,000 a month in sales. That's insane. And it only has 119 reviews. So I would definitely put this product in my master resource sheet. And there's a video on how to use that sheet and how to validate product ideas. You're going to learn how to do that in future lessons. Yeah, just put the ideas in the sheet and validate it as you go through the program, right? I'm going to go deeper and click into this person's store and see what else they sell. I always look to see if they're American sellers or Chinese sellers, or they're from other parts of the world. If they're from China, then I typically avoid looking into their store. But if they're American sellers or from other parts of the world, I'll go into their store. Now this brand I'm already familiar with. I've come across them before. I know they're good sellers. We can quickly run an X-ray of their store and see how well they're doing. Almost 6 million a month just with the first page of their storefront. That's insane. So yeah, I mean, I knew this brand did well, and obviously they're good sellers. So this could potentially be a good product to sell on Amazon. I would look deeper into this magnet to go through the whole validation process and see if it's a good product to sell. But that's literally what it is. You just go on Amazon and click around and see what kind of products you come across, and you can come across some pretty good products. I mean, this product is so simple, it solves a problem, and I'm pretty sure you can get this made in China for around $1 and sell it here for $11, and you can probably make around $4 or $5 selling each one of these magnets. So this looks like a good product. I'm just going to quickly look over here, see how heavy it is. It's only 3 ounces. Wow. Yeah, this product can do really well. I mean, the numbers should definitely work for this product. But yeah, guys, I mean, that's pretty much it. You can go back here and go through the whole process again with these other sections. But that's all you do. You find products that are interesting to you. You go into seller storefronts and just make a list of products that you want to look into and go through the validation process and see if it's a good product to launch. I'll see you guys in the next video.